Hi, welcome to My Cherokee Plate. These videos are an initiative of the Eastern Band of Cherokee Indians Tribal Food Distribution, our Public Health and Human Services Department, and the USDA's FDPNE program. Today we're going to be making cauliflower fried rice. Once you try this fried rice, you are not going to want to go back to your regular brown rice. So we're going to learn how to make cauliflower fried rice and cauliflower rice, which you can use as a substitute in any meal. What you're going to need today are a few eggs, 2 or 3 eggs, a couple cups of, I just used this coleslaw mix, that way it's already chopped, ginger root, and if you look, ginger root comes like this. You're going to use about an inch portion. And what's nice about it is if you notice that you don't use all your ginger root at once, you can just put it in the ground. You just cut off one of these little nubs here and put it in the ground and you can grow your own ginger root. We're going to have green onions, and just like the ginger root, once you cut the edges off, put them in a little bit of water in your window and you'll be able to grow your onions year round. Plant them after a few days. Cauliflower. So what I want you to notice about the cauliflower is sometimes you'll see some little black spots on it. That's easy to remove. So just chop that off before you start making your rice. And you're also going to want to remove all this green here. And then we also have garlic. And with garlic, what's nice about it is it's so healthy and it's full of antiviral and antibacterial agents. We're going to start today with making our sauce. So you can use whatever soy sauce you like. There's reduced sodium, or you can use coconut aminos, which is a soy-free substitute. I like to use about 5 tablespoons. After that, you're going to put in a little crushed red pepper or cayenne. I like it really spicy, so I add kind of a lot. And then rice vinegar. And then I just set that aside for later. Once I crack my eggs and scramble them up a little bit, I'm going to add a little bit of ginger powder. And if you have it, add anything you like. If you like white pepper or dark pepper, anything really will go in it. And this will sit to the side. Now, I also like to add fresh herbs in my cauliflower rice. So today I have cilantro and I've already chopped it. I keep the stems. I don't worry about that. I recommend Thai basil in particular. Thai basil is my favorite type of basil. It's very, very good and it adds just a different kind of flavor when you're making your fried rice. But you go ahead and try whatever you want. I've seen people add ham or bacon. Just kind of experiment with it. Now, when I make cauliflower rice, you can choose a few different options. You can buy it pre-made and frozen in your freezer section. You can get it pre-riced in, I think sometimes they have it in your vegetable section, or you can make it. And today we're going to make it. Now you can use a food processor for this process, or you can just get to chopping. Now ginger, I like to use a lot of ginger, but you can choose how much you like. You just snap where you'd like it, and then use a peeler or a knife to peel the edges, just that brown off. Just dice it up to the consistency that you like, and this has been sitting for a minute and it's mixed with the garlic. Now, when using the green onion, always wash it first. And then just chop as desired. Okay, I believe we're ready to cook. We're going to start with any deep dish, pan, or wok that you have available. And you can choose to use sesame oil, which is my preference, or a vegetable oil. So go ahead and put a couple tablespoons worth of oil on your pan. So when you believe your pan is ready to go, just go ahead and pour it on there. Let the egg sit until you see the middle of your egg start to bubble up and everything will look cooked around the edge. I like to add a dash of soy sauce too. Eggs are full of protein, and by adding eggs to your cauliflower fried rice, this can be a complete meal. I'm going to add a little bit more of oil before I start to add my vegetables. Start with your ginger and garlic mixture. It smells so good. This is all your medicine right here. And you want to move it so it doesn't get too brown. Just kind of coat it in the oil. Shortly after that, feel free to add as much rice as you can cook in your pan. Once it's coated, go ahead and add your shredded cabbage and carrots. And then add your soy sauce, vinegar, and cayenne mixture that we made earlier. You're going to let this cook for about 3 to 4 minutes or until your desired consistency of the cauliflower. When you're about ready to be done, go ahead and add your green onions and return the egg. Looks ready to go. Let's turn it off. And you'll plate it with your Thai basil or your cilantro. We'll see you next time.